Welcome to the ranch. It's Christmas season, and I'm so excited to share this brand new thing that I've found out. Not necessarily new to the meat cooking industry, but it's new to me. And I want to say this is the best way I've ever cooked a turkey before for multiple reasons. So first of all, the technique that we're going to be using is called spatchcock or spatchcocking. Either way, that's what we're doing. And what we're basically going to do is take this bird and split it in half. And the reason why this has become my favorite way to cook a turkey right off the bat was because typically when I smoke meat, some people like it, some people don't. So the great thing about this is once you split it in half, you can make it with or without smoke. You can do whatever you want. So it makes everybody happy. So I'm going to show you how you spatchcock a bird and how easy it is so that you can cook this bird not only different ways, but also in a much less amount of time. So the first thing you want is your turkey. You're going to take this turkey and you're going to place it chest side down. And a good thing I cleaned all my countertops. All right, so if you want to look down here, what we want to do is, as I said, chest side down, and we're going to cut along the backbone on either side. And remember that they have tail feathers here. So what we're going to do is we're going to allow that tail feather area to be our marker. Now, this is a store processed one, so I actually just noticed that their tail feather section is gone. They cut that out. If you have a homegrown one and you process it yourself, you're going to see there's like a fan on the back side of the rump. And so you cut into the spine and right up the back. So to do this, I have a pair of shears that are made for cutting bone. I've also used regular scissors to do the same thing. And all you do is cut right up along the backbone. And you can see how easy this really is. And if you're cutting in the right spot, your scissors will kind of show you where you need to go. When you're done, you're going to be not just removing the spine, but also the neck. So of course you can use this for broth or many other things. So you can see how quick that was. So now we're going to cut the other side. I'm gonna have more trouble with these type scissors than I do the regular scissors, but these may be easier for somebody who has arthritis or some issues with their hands where they can't squeeze quite as tight. Okay? So, you see how quickly, this is our neck fat, but you can see how quickly I was able to remove the spine. And again, this is great for making stock or other things. But now, when we flip it back over to its back, now you just want to press down on the chest plate and snap it in half. Now you can see. Now if you wanted to cook it like this, you could. What I like to do is now just cut it right along the chest. Again, because it's store-bought, it's a little bit heftier than the ones that we raise. There. Now, I have a half of a turkey right here that I can do whatever I want with. And I can wrap it, put it in a slow cooker. I can put it in a smoker. I can put it in the oven. You can do all sorts of things with this if you wanted to cut it again. Right along here to take the thigh and the leg apart from the breast meat, you could do that. There's so many options with this technique. And again, you see it's very easy. It took me very little time to cut this. So I just wanted to say Merry Christmas, Happy New Year to everybody. And let me know, leave it in the comments if you like this technique. If you try it for the first time, trust me, you won't be disappointed. But if you try this technique, make sure that you keep a close eye on the meat because it will not take as long to cook. So, who likes good fresh turkey all year round? Farmers do. Until next time, peace.